Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on Indian economy. This is part first. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. India's economic planning cannot be said to be A. Indicative, B. Imperative, C. Limited, D. Democratic. Correct option is B. Imperative. 2. Economic survey is published by A. Ministry of Finance, B. Planning Commission, C. Government of India, D. Indian Statistical Institute. Correct option is A. Ministry of Finance. 3. India is the biggest producer as well as the largest consumer and importer of which of the following crops? A. Wheat, B. Cotton, C. Sugarcane, D. Pulses. The correct option is D. Pulses. 4. Which of the which of the following is an example of passive investment distribution? A. Gold ETFs, B. Mutual funds, C. Stocks, or D. Preference shares. Correct option is A. Gold ETFs. 5. A persistent fall in the general price level of goods and services is known as A. Deflation, B. Disinflation, C. Stagflation, or D. Depression. Correct option is A. Deflation. 6. Who is the chairman of Planning Commission in India? A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Vice President, B. C. Prime Minister, D. Finance Minister. Here correct option is C. Prime Minister. By the Planning Commission now replaced by Niti Aayog. 7. The 1 rupee note bears the signature of A. RBI Governor, B. President of India, C. Finance Minister, D. Finance Secretary. Correct option is D. Finance Secretary. 8. Which of the following will not come under the proposed GST in India? A. Agricultural products, B. Handicrafts, C. Gems and jewelries, D. Petroleum products. Correct option is D. Petroleum products. 9. The concept of 5-year plan was borrowed from A. USA, B. England, C. Russia, D. France. Correct option is C. Russia. 10. Who is the largest trading partner of India? A. USA, B. China, C. England, D. United Arab Emirates. Correct option is B. China. 11. In which year National Development Council was set up? So the correct option here is D. 1952. 12. The Department of Family Planning was set up in 1966. 13. Which of the following is oblique or immediate objective of the population policy of 2020? A. Meet the needs of contraception, B. Meet the needs of health infrastructure, meet the needs of health personnel. Correct option is D. All of the above. The rank of growth in Hindu rate of growth is established at, correct option is C. 3.5%. 15. The book Planned Economy for India was written by, correct option is B. M. Visvesvaraya. 16. Unfair trade practices are included in, correct option is C. MRTP Act. 17. What is the full form of Niti Aayog? A. National Institute to Transform India, B. National Institute for Transforming India, C. National Institution to Transform India, or D. National Institution for Transforming India. Correct option is D. National Institution for Transforming India. 18. Multi-fiber agreement is related to A. Textiles, B. Agriculture, C. Chemicals, D. Plastics. Correct option is A. Textiles. 19. Which of the following combinations is correct? So here C. RBI long-term loans is a correct option from among the options available. 20. Which one of the following statement about globalization is not correct? So here correct option is C. Open economies with trade liberalization. 21. Which of the following was the objective of 12th 5-year plan of India? A. Faster and inclusive growth, B. Faster, quick and reliable inclusive growth, C. Faster, reliable and more inclusive growth, or D. Faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. The correct option is D. Faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. 22. Indian economy is A. Socialistic, B. Gandhian, C. Mixed, or D. Free economy. Correct option is C. Mixed economy. 23. Mixed economy means an economy where, correct option is B. There is coexistence of public sector along with private sector. 24. With the chairman of the Planning Commission in India. So obviously correct option is C, Prime Minister. 25. The deputy chairman of the Planning Commission. Correct option C, holds the rank of cabinet ministry. 26. The second 5-year plan laid more stress on A, industrialization, B, relieving poverty, C, self-reliance or the agriculture. Correct option is A, industrialization. 27. A rolling plan is a plan for A, 1 year, B, 2 year, C, 3 year, D, 5 year. Correct option is A, 1 year. 28. Rolling plan was designed for the period of, correct option is D, 1978-83. 29. Major objective of first 5-year plan was A, industrial growth, B, self-reliance, C, economic growth, D, development of agriculture. Correct option is D, development of agriculture. 30. Major portion of working population in India is, correct option is B, private sector. This video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.